Hi my loves, how are you guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to our channel. So leo wase manze to my 48 subscribers. Oh, let's do this together tukiendelea ku increase. So by then nikianza nilikuwa na just one subscriber, and right now tuko 148 subscribers. So it's a milestone. Ama niaje wase. Yeah, so to my 148 subscribers, manze nasema asante for supporting me every now and then. So as you know, I love cooking. So leo nikasema why not vlog tupike pamoja as we interact with guys. Yeah. So I'm hosting my friends leo wase, and so I decided I'm going to cook with you guys. Yes, so we are making chicken, pilau, and salad. Yes, so welcome to my humble kitchen. Guys, I have noticed that I have a lot to change. I have a lot to change in my house, starting from kitchen, bedroom, my curtains. I have so much things to change, and one thing I've learned to appreciate ni that leo sikuwa na hii, kesho nanunua. I don't have this today, tomorrow naweza kununua. Hiyo progress kidogo kidogo it has taught me to appreciate the little things that I have, guys. So here my nyama is ready. I'm going to cook pilau. So, and as you can see here, my onions are ready. This is what I use to make pilau. I use hoho, garlic and ginger. And then I use tomato paste, pilau masala, and dawaya masala. That's what I hear Muslims calling it. So by the way, nilifunzwa kupika pilau na Muislamu. Yes. So guys, my chicken imeboil hapa. Iko karibu kuiva. I think imeiva. Imeboil for like an hour. This is kienyeji chicken, and you know inatakanga kupewa time. So I'm going to check. I'm used to doing videos short. So guys, if I don't shoot a very good video, just bear with your girl here. There we go. That's my chicken and my nyama, and vitunguu vyangu hapo, ingredients zangu zenye na. So nitaanza hizi vitunguu kwanza kuzikaranga. Guys, msinijaji, bado sijabai zile vitu zako za kutumia ukipima za kuweka mafuta kitchen. So lazima niwache kitunguu iwe golden brown. Hi Baba. Okay guys, my son is so calm. Unless akwe mbaridi ama konja, you will never find him crying. But just like that. At least kamenihurumia. So hadi sina stories za kuwapea. Normally I talk so much. Lakini for some reason today I don't know what to say. Normally wakati ni wa kuongea ninakwanga na vitu za kusema. Lakini wakati wa kupika pia kidogo na concentrate na kupika, so sina story mob. So my onions ziko ready, zinakaa kama zimeungua. So I've added my garlic and my ginger plus the whatever nice one, hoho. This is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to add this rice here. So make sure sufuria yangu haijashika anything. So mix vizuri, make sure imeshikana. Hivyo ndivyo inakaa. Madulia?
She don't imagine for mom.
So I'm going to karanga my chicken here. Take a tomato paste and then, yeah, that's it. I'm going to add my carrots. Dania za kitambo watu. Ama nini ama mtaniuliza za. There we go guys with our chicken. So we are going to add hii supu yake kidogo tu. Look at that. Look at that. I think pilau and chicken will be okay. I also wanted to make some potato wedges, and I think I don't have that time now. I'm already tired, and my baby wants to feed, and it's already almost 2:30. So I don't think I'm going to continue this cooking anymore. My guests are almost here. So we're just going to make some kachumbari and end our cooking here today, guys. Yes, I'm going to breastfeed my baby. So you guys are going to spend the whole day with me, sawa? Yes, mpaka tukule, mpaka we finish up everything. And I'm very happy for the few people that are supporting me. Beautiful, welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. So guys, we have finished our vlog like that.
Bye.
Now it's our time to catch up. Yeah.